Yo.
Bitch.
Hello?
Hi.
Ruby, did you eat Drewski ass? Yes or no? Oh my!
Why the fuck would you say that?
I didn't know.
Why the fuck?
Ruby, this is Kai. Hello?
He got on the phone.
Yes. Ruby, be honest. Did you eat Drewski ass? Yes or no?
Kai, do I look like I do that?
Oh, she did not eat your ass, bitch.
I told you.
She didn't eat your ass.
I told you though. I told you.
Hey.
Okay. Ask whatever question you want to ask. Ask whatever question you want to ask.
Let me talk to her.
I bet.
Let me talk to her. Give me
I'm not here.
Help me up.
Let him up.
Tackle me.
Let him up.
Tackle me. I didn't know what else to ask, chat.